Hi, my name is Theo, and this is
Jonathan Le Roux.
Hello. My name is Melissa, and welcome to Cupocafe. Here at Cupocafe, our passion is people and connecting people with a good cup of coffee.
we strive to develop the coffee culture in our community by introducing to you guys special home brewing methods and perfectly roasted Arabica beans.
So come on over to our store. We would love to introduce you to home brewing methods.
We would love to help you activate your coffee palate with different single region coffees.
Or you can click the buttons down below to learn more.
Click them.